What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to TGS Productions. Today I'm going to be doing a awesome unboxing of the JBL LSR 310S 200 watt powered studio subwoofer. Enjoy. So I originally purchased the 305 MKIIs, Mark IIs, as you can see there in the background right there. So a little story, I was working on a project, probably one of the most craziest projects I've ever been a part of, recording a music video. But this music video was pretty big. So we went out to 3 different locations. We rented an A7S III, we rented a 24 to 70 f2.8 lens, and we also rented a 135 millimeter f1.8, I believe it was, and we went to 3 different locations, and it was a crazy amount of work. We spent a quite chunk of money for this project, but it was definitely worth it. It was definitely a learning experience. I will share that link in the description. Jehovah Rapha by Madison Day, so definitely check that out. But it was definitely worth the experience of being able to do that. And when we were editing, I realized I didn't have any studio monitors to edit a music video on. So I cried inside and I shelled out the money to be able to get the 305s. But this video is not about these. This video is about this subwoofer. So let's go ahead and go over to Florida Tyler in the past, and let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Let's do it. What's up, guys? This is gonna be the unboxing. This is past Tyler here. I decided to do this unboxing because I want to make sure that it didn't get damaged or nothing happened to it, because I did get it on that freak sale, which I have no idea how I got it that cheap, but I want to see if it works and see if it still functions and see if it's actually JBL instead of some Temu brand. Let's get into the unboxing. Let's do this. As you can see, this box is absolutely massive. This box is huge. There's a tiny little coffee table. This thing is massive. Because I knew it was going to be big. I knew it was probably going to be the size of this guy right here. This guy's a 10-inch. Cut this guy open. Oh, I got, looks to be some nice big foam. I appreciate that. Thank you. Put this to the side. It's a box inside of it. Pretty delicate. I appreciate that you can see 3 series LSR 310S 10-inch powered subwoofer. Let's do it. God. There we go. Box looks pretty good. Again, I appreciate all of that. All right, so we have that. That's the subwoofer right there. Like true reference monitoring. 3 series 10-inch powered studio subwoofer. Oh wow, that's a lot of stuff. Looks like everything is in different languages and stuff. That's that. Oh, it shows the inputs and everything, the inputs and outputs. I'll go ahead and go in depth about that later. Everything, so got our box. This is just the top, so I'm gonna see if never really done an unboxing before, so my first ever one. Go over here. That slips. Alright. Cool. Ooh, it smells good. I don't know why it smells good, but there it is. There it is. Smells like a Home Depot. Alright, so it looks like we got the warranty and everything like that in the quick start guide. I'm gonna open up that, and then I know how, I think you have to like flip it over, and then this way the feet are facing down. We'll figure it out. Again, first unboxing. It's all good. We got this. It says we gotta flip it over. Ah, okay, I see now. Alright, and then we just lift the box up. Also, you want to be very careful when unboxing this stuff because it's pretty expensive. Pretty expensive gear. But it's also really heavy too, so get it, base. Alright, y'all. Ready for the big reveal? Oh man, here it is. Let's try to do this with one hand. Woo-hoo-hoo! Nice. Oh, that's sick. Look at that. That's sweet. Alright, let's take off this first. Let me get the wrapping off the bottom. Perfect. Look at that. Let's lift it up. Just kind of take that out. Alright. Alright. Want to see the most satisfying thing ever? Look at that. Ooh, watch. Ready? Ooh! Look at that. That is nice. That's sexy. Can't believe I just called the subwoofer sexy, but come on, man. Now, here's where the fun stuff is right here. Perfect. Okay, so now you can see you got right, left. You got XLF, extended low frequency, balanced, 500 watts of max. Thought it was 200. I love it. Polarity, you can do it 180 or 0. In case you have 2 of these, that's awesome. That's amazing. I can't wait. I can't wait to plug it in and see how it works. All right, that was the unboxing. Oh, okay, so, I mean, what you get in the box is the power cable, the subwoofer. I said originally this subwoofer cost $399. That is $400. When I got it on their B stock. I'm not 100% sure if that was refurbished or what, but I got it at $279. When I saw that price, I was like, come on. I gotta do it. So what I did was I scooped it up for $279. I'm like, you know what? I got it on sale. I wanted this thing for a little bit. Let me get it. So I always recommend getting these products on the manufacturer's official website. This way you know the warranty is good and you know they're going to stand by their products when you buy them. That's just my personal preference. You do what you want, but I always go to the manufacturer's website. This way I know what I'm getting is actually genuine, actual genuine JBL subwoofer. Let's go ahead and go into the specs of this thing. On the bottom, you can see the driver is a 250 millimeter 10-inch high excursion down firing woofer. So this subwoofer is basically meant to be on the ground. They also have non-slip feet on the bottom on all 4 corners. So this is built to be on the ground firing down. So JBL also on the front, you can see JBL also has a patented slipstream port, basically a big square port for pushing air through. So the low frequency goes down to 27 hertz. That's pretty low. That's pretty low for a 10-inch driver. We're not talking 18 inches. Max SPL is 113 dB. It's got a 200 watt Class D amplifier on the back. So the crossover you can see is set at 80 hertz XLF, which is extended low frequency, or external if you want to plug this in externally. So the inputs you can see are one XLR input or a TRS, which is tip ring sleeve input. And then on the right, you can see a XLR as well as a TRS balanced input. So the outputs are just 2 XLRs. So you have an XLR male for the output on the left, and then a XLR male output for the right. So the maximum peak level input is 20.3 dBu. There's also an input sensitivity switch for high input devices to limit overload. So if you have anything that has a lot of input, you can flip that switch and then it'll prevent it from overdriving. So also there's a polarity switch you can see on the back. The polarity, in case you want to, you can flip the polarity in case you want to use two of them and use the opposite polarity. So the AC voltage is 100 to 240 volts VAC, plus or not minus 10%, 50 to 60 hertz. And you can see on the back there is a power switch for on and off. You can see that 500 watts max, but you can also see the AC input port right there. The dimensions, the height is 17.65 inches, 448 millimeters. The width is 15 inches, 381 millimeters. The depth is 15.65 inches or 398 millimeters. And the weight is 34.3 pounds or 15.6 kilograms. You can find the quick start guide as well as all these specifications on JBL's website. So definitely check that out if you want the extensive spec sheet. I just grabbed it from there. So what's my setup going to be? So my setup is going to be, I have a USB interface, and it's going to be going from my Mac Mini into the PreSonus recording box USB. And I have a ton of XLRs. So I have a TRS tip ring sleeve to a male XLR. And that's going to be going from XLR left and right to the XLR inputs on the subwoofer. And then I have two XLR outputs, and I'm going to be going out to my studio monitors, the 305s. So I'm going to be putting this subwoofer to the test and putting it through a lot of paces, through video editing, listening to a lot of music, because I listen to a lot of music. I love music. I listen to a lot of music. Maybe diving into the world of music production, maybe recording, maybe. We'll see about that. All right, guys, thank you so much for indulging me on that amazing unboxing of this pretty awesome subwoofer. 200 watts, LSR, 310S subwoofer. Stay tuned for the full review. Thank you so much for enjoying this video. If you like it, like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. It's my first ever unboxing, so take that what you will. I look forward to seeing you guys in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed my previous vlog. That was amazing. That was really fun to do. And take care, everyone. TGS Productions signing out. Peace.